This is a series parallel switchboard. So we have the two inputs. One solar panel is connected here and the other one there. And this is the output. This is where we do the measurement, because the purpose is to make power output measurements and compare the parallel connections and the series connections for the solar panels without reconnecting them. So currently we have this switch on. So the circuit breakers are used just as switches. So we have the big loop going over the two solar panels, so that's a series connection. But if I switch this off and I switch this on, so now I have this loop, so just using one solar panel, and they can be actually compared as well. And then I switch this one on too, so now we have the two solar panels connected in parallel. Again, this is without reconnecting these MC4 connectors. That's such a trouble to reconnect them all the time. They're not meant to be used as hot plugs. So this way we can compare the performance of the series and the parallel connections. And it's like, yeah, normally this switchboard is not needed because, well, you design your system and you have a fixed connection. But if you want to understand how the solar panels behave, this is a very useful tool.